Hi guys, today I'm going to show you our new two-stage whole home water filtration system which we have just installed here. I mean, I didn't install it myself, I'm not a plumbing guy, but a plumber who did that told me that it was really easy, especially because it has these standard 1-inch ports on both of the sides, and the set came basically with everything needed. Came also with some Teflon tape to make it watertight here and here, and the plumber has added 2 unions here and here because we have also added a water leak detector. Has nothing to do with the filter, but I think it was a good idea to do it at the same time, so we can also see how much water we are really consuming, because the total of the official meter measures the whole home water consumption, also everything which we are consuming in our yard. And so this shows only what's going through this filter, and then that's about 150 gallons each day. And because these filters last around 15,000 gallons, so it should last for around 100 days, which makes it around 3 months. Absolutely perfect for us. It has been installed about 1 week ago and we didn't have any problems, no leaks, no nothing. What's also good here is that everything is really solid. Came also with some drill patterns. We have 2 O-rings here and everything is really super solid. We have even been able to add the leak detector here. You can see it's just attached to the water filter, doesn't have its own mount because this is so solid. And I can tell you it's a huge difference before and after. We already had some water filters in our home. We have a new fridge with new filter, but my wife has always been complaining about the water quality, especially the chlorine, and same thing with the reverse osmosis which we have in the kitchen. I'm super happy with the reverse osmosis, but not regarding the chlorine, because it cannot remove all the chlorine. And so we have decided to add this 2-stage water filter, and now the chlorine taste is gone, and whenever it comes back after 3 months or so, we can easily replace these filters here. I can just shut off the water, then release the pressure with these buttons, use this opener here, go underneath, then rotate counterclockwise to open. What's also nice that we have a transparent housing for the filter, so we can see what's going on. I see already some discoloration, so this sediment filter is definitely catching some stuff here, and the charcoal filter here of course as well. We can definitely smell the difference, huge difference. Our family is super happy with that now. They have always been complaining about some chlorine taste before, even though we had new filters, new reverse osmosis filter, new fridge filters, and so I had to always buy some bottled water, and so that's not needed anymore. What's also important to know that it didn't reduce our water pressure. We usually have around 60 to 65 psi, and we haven't noticed any kind of lower pressure in this home, not for the washing, not in the kitchen, not in the shower, bathroom whatsoever. I've been worried a little bit at the beginning, but we definitely cannot feel any difference at all. I would say absolutely awesome construction. This is exactly what we should have. A couple of years ago, I had a huge whole home water filtration system where I couldn't replace the filters. Here I can do that on my own. I don't need a plumber, don't need to call anybody. I can just order replacement filters and do it on my own. That's absolutely awesome. So I really love that style. So I would say full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.